the 2013-2014 kindergarten graduation. We are so glad to have such an amazing turnout of parents and grandparents and family members here to celebrate this day with us. I just want to say that being the first year that I've gotten to be the assistant principal of the K-5, it's been magical. It has been amazing to watch these little kinders come in here crying, a lot of them, every day for a long time because of that separation that they had to go through. And a lot of mommies that I had to help find the way. It's time to leave now. They're going to be all right. And here we are. And they're ready. They are ready for first grade. They have shown amazing growth educationally as well as socially. Their maturity has improved. They're all sitting still, which is that in and of itself a huge accomplishment. And so let's get this graduation started. So I'm going to have the music start, and then I'm going to introduce our first class, Miss Harrington and Miss Yanis. Please come to the stage.
Martinez. Alani Hernandez. Annalise Smith. Camila Aguilar. Chelsea Tapia. Curtis Alston. Dorothy Cairo. Gia Leon. Grady Hicks. Isaac Rago. Joshua Adelos. Joy Manuel. Kayla Sanchez. Luis Silva Cancino. Osmar Beltran. Ruth Reyes. Sasha Garrison. And Stephanie Rojo.
That is our first kinder class. so we are going to introduce our second classroom for kindergarten. And that would be Miss Svoboda's class with Miss Murphy.
Alexis Macias. Alexis Sanchez. Anajra Ahmed. Annalisa Macedo Cabrera. Angel Benitez. Arwin Aleria Martinez. Ponce Oliveras Reyes. Devin Douglas. Eliseo Xander Sanchez. Elise Garrison. Emily Rojo. Felix Tovar. Turkan Dohan. Jackson Balmer. Jacob Aviles. Karina Reyes Juarez. Caitlin Calderon. Kelly Sanchez. Noelle Latrache. Sasha Vela. Valeria Flores Villanueva. Sophia Davidson. Usman Hader. Thank you.
Congratulations to our second class of kindergartners. Okay, so for the first time in 5 years of Harmony's history here at HSE, we added a third section to kindergarten this year. So I'm going to ask Ms. Lassiter and Ms. Similkoff to come up and introduce our third class of kindergartners. Aiden Nunez.
Bianca Ibarra Flores. Caleb Adelu. Cynthia Lopez Cerda. Evelyn Amaro Vila. Giovanni Luna. Jesse Burrell. John Langoria. Jonathan Perez Rostro. Joshua Ajahi. Lakia Mack. Lily Beck. Regina Mary Rose Castillo. Richard Hawkins. Robert Montoya. Salvador Hernández Garza. Sandra Valeria Montoya. Shania Selby. Celali Dorantes.
Congratulations to our third class of kindergartners. And, they always say, oh, are you going to send the children off with some words of wisdom? And I think these kids have gained enough words of wisdom over the past year. But my words of wisdom for you is you did it. You made it. I know a lot of you are first-time parents, and this is the hardest time, is getting those kids through their very first year being away from home. And the teachers have done an amazing job. We spend a lot of time with these kids over the year, and they become part of our family. And as much as we're all tired, children included, we're counting down the days. We will miss these kids over the summertime desperately, and we'll be so happy to see them again in the fall of next year.